Russia launched 21 drones and 3 missiles overnight. Russia fired 21 attack drones and 3 cruise missiles on Ukraine. The Air Force said the Shahed-136 suicide drones were heading towards the Khmelnytsky region and the missiles for the southern parts of Ukraine. All the unmanned aerial vehicles and 2 missiles were destroyed before reaching their targets. While the third missile was not hit, it did not reach its destination, the Air Force said, without elaborating. Foreigners to sign loyalty agreement. In Russian draft legislation, a Russian draft legislation would force foreigners to sign a loyalty agreement that would ban them from criticizing official policy and discrediting military history. According to the Russian state news outlet, TASS, the draft legislation had been prepared by the Interior Ministry. A foreigner entering Russia would be banned from interfering with the activities of public authorities of the Russian Federation, discrediting in any form the foreign and domestic state policy of the Russian Federation, public authorities and their officials, TASS reported. The proposed agreement would include clauses about morality, family, propaganda about non-traditional sexual relations, and history. They would also be barred from distorting the historical truth about the feat of the Soviet people in the defense of the fatherland and its contribution to the victory over fascism. Black Sea Fleet launches attack on Ukraine military infrastructure. Russia's defense ministry says its Black Sea Fleet launched an attack with 4 cruise missiles on Ukraine's military infrastructure. The crew of a frigate of the Black Sea Fleet received a task of launching a strike with Caliber cruise missiles in the shortest possible time against enemy military infrastructure, it said on Telegram. The ministry added, the designated targets were hit. Ukraine's Navy said the Russian Navy keeps 2 submarines with up to 8 Caliber missiles on combat duty in the Black Sea, which has become a crucial battleground in the 21-month-long war. Russia ramping up attacks on Avdiivka in Donetsk. Russian forces continue to ratchet up attacks on the nearly encircled industrial town of Avdiivka in the eastern Donetsk region, a recent flashpoint of the invasion. The enemy has significantly increased its activity. It is using armored vehicles, said Alexander Tarnavsky, the Ukrainian commander responsible for the territory. Nearly 20 airstrikes, 1,000 artillery rounds, and 4 missiles were launched along with 56 ground assault waves. He claimed Ukrainian forces were firmly holding the line along the Avdiivka front. Russia launched a renewed bid to capture the war-battered town last month, and analysts suggest Moscow's forces have made incremental gains. Avdiivka has been on the front line since 2014 and is part of the Donetsk region, which the Kremlin has claimed to have annexed along with 3 other areas of Ukraine. Neither side has made significant breakthroughs on the battlefield for weeks as Moscow's invasion drags on for a 22nd month. Russia launched 21 drones and 3 cruise missiles at Ukraine overnight, though all but 1 missile were destroyed, Ukraine's Air Force says. Fighter jets, anti-aircraft systems and mobile air defense units shot down the incoming fire in the southern and central regions of Ukraine. Sweden's foreign minister says his Turkish counterpart promised Ankara will approve Stockholm's membership in NATO within weeks. Russian President Vladimir Putin will not make peace in Ukraine before he knows the results of the November 2024 U.S. election, a news report quotes an American official as saying.